Have you ever found yourself in a conflict and didn't know how to handle it? Welcome to the core of conflict management, a journey to master the art of conflict resolution. Conflict at its core is born when two or more parties have incompatible goals, needs, desires, or values. It's an inherent part of human interaction and can emerge in any context where people interact. Sometimes it's overt, with clear disagreements and arguments. Other times, it's covert, simmering beneath the surface as unspoken tensions. There are several ways to categorize conflicts. First, there's intrapersonal conflict. This is the conflict that occurs within an individual. It often involves an internal struggle over values or ethical dilemmas. Then there's interpersonal conflict, the conflict that takes place between individuals. This is typically the result of personal differences or miscommunication. Intragroup conflict happens within a group or team. It can stem from competition for resources or clashes in working styles. Lastly, there's intergroup conflict. This involves disputes between different groups or organizations and can be driven by competition, prejudice, or differing objectives. To fully grasp conflict, we need to look at it from different perspectives. Historically, the traditional perspective saw conflict as a negative occurrence that should be avoided. It was associated with dysfunction and chaos. Then there's the human relations perspective. This view suggests that conflict is a natural occurrence in all groups and organizations. It can even lead to growth and innovation if managed properly. And finally, the interactionist perspective. This approach goes a step further by not only accepting conflict as beneficial, but also encouraging a certain level of conflict to prevent stagnation and complacency. By understanding the definitions and perspectives of conflict, we can begin to appreciate its complexity and the role it plays in our lives. This knowledge provides a solid foundation for identifying, navigating, and resolving conflicts effectively. Stay tuned for the next module. There we will explore the essential communication skills needed for conflict resolution. This is just the beginning of a journey to understanding and managing conflict.